Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. I've been receiving several messages lately after posting 2 videos that you guys want me to do more videos. Well, if you guys want me to do more videos, I need everybody right now that's watching this video that has not subscribed to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. And every time I produce a video, it'll notify you. Now today I'm working in the shop, I'm working on a jacuzzi, like always, what else is new? And I have to replace it too. This is something that you will have to do periodically. Let me show you what I'm doing. So what I'm working on today is a diverter valve, but I have to replace the piece that goes from here all the way down and it hooks into these 2 spots right here. I've already pulled it out. This and this hooks into this and this. Pretty simple. But it's got a piece of flex right here. I've already taken the piece of flex out of up here, which is this piece right here. I'm going to show you how to pull this piece out so that you can reuse this piece and you don't have to keep on cutting. And because I've taken it out, I'm probably not going to put a piece of flex back in. I think I'm going to put a piece of 2-inch PVC back in. So how am I going to go about getting this out of here? Well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut this as close as you can to here. There's several different ways you can do that. Now there's several tools you can use to get this cut. You can use a knife. You can use a hacksaw. You can use Barry's favorite tool. I'll put a link up in the right-hand corner to Barry's favorite tool. You can use any hacksaw, you can use a knife, you can use a Sawzall. You know, just don't hit this fitting. And you just want to leave maybe, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch, or you can get it right up against the edge. It doesn't matter, but just get it as close to this as you can without hitting this. Okay, I don't want to replace this fitting. Now it's nothing more than a 2-inch PVC fitting. Sure, if I hit it, it's not that big of a deal, or if you hit it, it's not big of a deal. You can replace it, but I just really don't want to. Now I elected to use this only because I have it and I've grown accustomed to using it over the last year or so. The reason why this did not cut through the soft PVC really quick is because, like I've told you in other videos, I don't like sharp objects. I'd rather take my time, because if you have something sharp, it's going to cut through it that fast. I don't want to do that. If you want to do that, that's up to you. I just don't want to. I didn't have too many problems with this because it was out of the hot tub, so I can work with it a little bit easier. But when you're trying to cut like this right here, you know, or you got lines right there, or you got this piece right there, or you got this piece right there, you hit it, you're replacing that too. So that's the reason why I don't like sharp tools. Normally, everybody wants something to be sharp. I just don't want that when I'm doing this. And I'm purposely doing that. So I want you guys to know that I am purposely not using a really sharp tool. Just my preference. So what I've done is I've kind of pushed this down in here just to hold this so that I have it right here. What I'm going to do is use my heat gun and I'm going to heat this up all the way around. Once I get it heated up, I'm going to use this little bitty screwdriver. You can see it's not sharp at the edges. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pry in between where it's purple and where the white PVC is. And I'm going to just gently go all the way around until where I start getting it hot. Once this gets warm from the heat gun, it'll pop right out of there. And I mean, it'll pop right out of there really quick. Now that I have this right here, you're going to need a heat gun. I always use a Milwaukee heat gun. Not that they're the best. I have just found that this product works great. I've tried the DeWalt heat gun. I don't like it. I've tried the one from Harbor Freight. Don't like it. This one's a little pricey, but I do this every day. If you only got to do 1 or 2 jobs, heck, use mama or your girlfriend or your sister's hairdryer. That'll work too. Okay, so what you're going to do is just heat it up. Take your time. You don't want to get this piece on the outside right here real hot, but just this is soft. So as you heat it up, you're going to be able to get to it real easy. Oh yeah. What you're going to do is just start prying it. Bring the camera a little bit closer. See, I can almost pry it right out of there. Real simple. Coming. Just got to work at it just a little bit. Once we get one part of it to go, the rest of it will go real easy. Like I said, this is something where you want to take your time. Yeah, it's coming. I'm not too worried about ruining the inside at all. So, hope you guys enjoy these videos. I keep getting people that want, okay, I've kind of broke through, that's fine. I've been receiving a lot of emails about what people want to see. And I'm like, all right, see, let me show you what's going on. So you just kind of peel it back little by little. Once I get it to where it's coming, okay. Now watch how this works, really slick. Okay, now that you have it nice and it's flexible, you can see how flexible that is now. You know, I mean, I can move it with my hand now. Now watch. Take a pair of pliers, stick it in there, and then twist. You're gonna turn it round. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna peel it away from the fitting, all the way around. Keep doing it. Come on. Just like that. Now that I have that tube out of the inside, I'm going to use a Dremel, or I'll use a piece of sandpaper. I'll use something just to smooth this out just a little bit to try to get rid of some of the old glue, to where I can slide the new piece of PVC in there. And you do the same thing to this one up here that I've done. That's really all I'm going to show you guys in this video. I just wanted to show you how I go about replacing, you know, a tube like this, or, you know, a piece inside of here. I've had to just replace this tube, but I still want to use this fitting, and I still want to use the diverter valve, because there's nothing wrong with the diverter valve. It just developed a leak. So with that, I'm going to see you guys on the next video. I want to thank you for subscribing. If you need help with a hot tub or a fix, or you're trying to figure something out, drop us a line. We'll try to help you out. Like always, it's just a hot tub in the backyard. It heats up and blows bubbles. Don't go crazy, everybody. Have a great day.